when my neighbor called animal control claiming my rescue dog was dangerous and neglected. They thought I was just some young renter who'd give up easily, but they picked the wrong person to mess with. What they didn't know was that I'm a veterinary technician, and I'd been documenting every interaction we'd had for months. So when they showed up at the hearing with their fake witness statements, I pulled out my folder of vet records, photos, and security footage showing them throwing rocks at my dog through the fence. The result was animal control filing harassment charges against them, and my dog getting certified as a therapy animal that now visits the local children's hospital.